Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all around us. Think about Siri or Alexa responding to your voice commands, or Netflix suggesting your next binge-worthy show. These are all powered by AI, specifically algorithms that learn from your data. These algorithms are examples of machine learning, a subset of AI. AI is broadly categorized into narrow AI, which performs specific tasks like playing chess, and general AI, a hypothetical AI with human-level intelligence capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. Machine learning uses algorithms that learn from data, while deep learning uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain for more complex learning. AI offers incredible advantages. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosis and drug discovery. Environmental conservation benefits from AI-powered monitoring and prediction tools. For accessibility, AI powers assistive technologies for the visually and hearing impaired. These are just a few examples of AI's positive impact. However, AI also presents significant challenges. Bias in algorithms can perpetuate societal inequalities. Automation driven by AI may displace workers in various sectors. Privacy concerns arise from the vast amounts of data AI systems require. Ethical dilemmas abound regarding autonomous weapons and the potential for AI to surpass human control. AI is a double-edged sword. Its potential to solve global problems is immense, yet its risks are equally significant. Responsible development and robust regulation are crucial to harness AI's benefits while mitigating its potential harms. But what kind of future do we want to build with this powerful technology?